Hey, new nail techs, just want to give you a shout out. Don't give up. Keep learning, keep taking hands-on classes, keep watching videos. Don't solely watch videos and think that's your education. It isn't. You can't ask questions, you can't smell the product, you can't feel the product. You can't. You have to take live and in-person classes. Where those are at shows like the Nail Tech event of the SMOKIES. We hold it every July in Gatlinburg, Tennessee, the resort town in Tennessee, which is only second to Orlando as far as people coming to vacation, because it gets over 10, 11 million visitors every year to this tiny little area because it's right next to the Great Smoky Mountains National Park. So if you're in driving distance to Gatlinburg, Tennessee, you can make it a tax write-off family vacation, pile the hubby and all the kids in the car. Go on to gatlinburg.com and you can see all the fun stuff there is to do there while you're in class taking your hands-on workshops for nail care, foot care. There's business classes. I mean, it's just like everything a nail tech needs. While you're there doing that, your hubby and the kids can be enjoying the pool, walking downtown. You walk everywhere. There's so many fun attractions and restaurants and things to do in Gatlinburg, which is why I picked it when I started holding my little nail tech networking event back in '08. And we've managed to grow it now. It's our 18th year. It is now the biggest nails only trade show in North America for licensed beauty pros, beauty school students, salon and spa owners. There you go. Consider it, because at this, it's a one-day nails only trade show. You shop for all these nail products, all the free demos, including with your ticket. There's free classes included with your ticket. This is where you discover new nail products, new techniques to improve your speed, to reduce problems that you're having, to help build your clientele. You make more money. So that's on Sunday. The Nails Only show is a one-day show, but we've got Friday, Saturday, and Monday hands-on or seminar workshops. So go on to nailtechevent.com, check it out. We've got over 30 hands-on or seminar workshops. So you, as the professional licensed nail tech, can get the education, the advanced education that you need to keep you in business and making money for the long haul. This year's my 38th year as a nail tech, and I'm not kidding you. I would have died to be able to go to something like this in my youth. Now I run it, so I don't get to enjoy it like y'all get to enjoy it, but I do enjoy greatly seeing the smiles on all the nail techs' faces and how happy they are to be there, and they're making nice family memories too, which warms my heart, you know. So anyway, I hope you get to join us this July, Nail Tech event of the SMOKIES, nailtechevent.com. Check it out. Peace out, nail techs.